4 reasons why your business should embrace systemization. In this tutorial, you're going to learn why your business should embrace systemization. At first, business systemization might not sound too exciting. The word probably conjures up images in your head of assembly lines and robots. If the idea of systemization makes you think of Henry Ford, you're in for a pleasant surprise. At its most basic form, systemization is about creating a process for handling a task that you do over and over again and finding a streamlined way to accomplish it. Here are 4 reasons why you should embrace systemization in your business. Reason number 1, make your clients happy. Having a streamlined client experience will result in happier clients, more recommendations, and repeat business. To make sure that the client experience is the best it can be, run a quick audit on the steps your clients experience from their first contact to the end of the project. This will help you identify the systems you need to develop to deliver results on a consistent basis. Reason number 2, create a more efficient team. Providing your team with well-documented procedures will increase their productivity. When your team can follow a reliable, streamlined process, they spend less time and energy on their tasks. Systemizing your business processes will also decrease the chances of mistakes. Reason number 3, create built-in quality improvement triggers. Documenting your business processes helps to spur people into action to find ways to improve it. Seeing the steps written down on paper forces our brains to challenge the inefficiencies and gaps that we discover. The improvements will continue once you document the procedure. This improvement process comes built in with systemization because once the steps are established as a process, people will automatically want to optimize it. Reason number 4, increase creativity. Creating a checklist to systemize your business processes allows you to remove the drudgery of repetitive tasks that tend to waste time. The functions that can shortchange the more creative efforts that are needed for your business to thrive. Rather than spending creative energy on the mundane tasks, systemization allows you to save your brain power for figuring out new ways to connect with the world. Systemizing your online business allows your team to become more flexible and gives them the opportunity to unleash their creative power. When you can free up their brain power through systemization, they can focus on applying the talents you hired them for in the first place.